Thought I'd come on and just have a little bit of an open conversation about parking lot maintenance and being an expert in your field and becoming trustworthy, having a good reputation. You know, good work is really not easy to do. Oftentimes it requires you to stay late. You know, we have three principles: to be available, to be accurate, and to be authentic. And we've lived by those three values since the day we began the company. And that's not always been friendly for us. That's not always been profitable or even popular, but it is necessary when you're trying to build something of quality, something that has a reputation, a standard that is vitally important to be as authentic as we were day one. We worked long hours, weekends, birthdays, holidays, and while we don't work all of those special occasions these days, throughout our business year, our operation year, we want to make sure that we are giving each and every customer the attention and the time that they need.